Alright, I'm here with the Glock 26 Flat Dark Earth. By the way, Double Action just got a shipment of a lot of Glock flat Dark Earths. Man, there's a beautiful Glock 19 in there. It looks awesome. I got the 26 and I got the Mepro light sights on there. Actually, I do like the Glock sights the best. I shoot the best with them. But since this is going to be a carry gun, I like to put night sights on it. So I shoot okay with the 3-dot system, but I do like those Glock sights. Sorry if I'm talking loud, I got earplugs in and there's no one in here. Got the target at 10 yards, and let's see how this baby does. In frame? All right. Gun's running friggin' sweet. I can't see the brass. I know you guys could see it. I don't know if it's going in the same direction, but it's feeding and running like a champ. This will be, when this box is done, 200 rounds with 0 failures. Which is no surprise to me. You know, what is a good thing about Glock is you're 75% relaxed when you buy a Glock, because you pretty much know it's going to run perfect. 75%, because I have had Glocks, mess up, but it is so rare. Anytime I buy any other gun, I'm half happy and really worried, So that's one thing you could say when you buy a Glock, man. You pretty much bank on it. It's going to shoot no matter what. So, 26 is definitely, I think, the way to go for the baby Glocks. Okay. 'm pretty much dialed in now. I know where I got to hold. Pretty much center, which is, 10 yards. You should be holding, dead center of the red, and it should hit it. If not, you got to adjust your sights. Never was into that sight adjusting thing. As long as the sights are in the center of the gun, as far as my grip goes, I should hit center. If I'm not, I'm pulling with my trigger finger. This is the last mag. This makes it. That'll be 200 solid rounds of ball ammo anyway, with 0 failures. Zero failures, thank you for that. Okay, like, what amazes me about this little 26 is, I'm not going to say 100% you could shoot it as well as a full-size gun, but at 10 yards with a 3-inch barrel, as you can see, I had some issues in the beginning. Look at the whole left of it, it's a mess. But after I got through a quarter of the box of the ammo, the rest of them was in the bullseye and in the red. So for a little 26 like that, I'm happy with that. I'm only going to get better. I just need to shoot more. And Mike, the owner, came in and put a couple of neck shots in with the 26 at 10 yards. And that's a beautiful group, man. Mike's a good shot. So, very good, Mike. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Glock 26, 3rd gen, as usual. Perfecto of a friggin' mundo.